Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and I'll today provide you the preset like bike lover, and this one is the motorcycle, and I'll provide you that preset download link which is make your photographs like this, and the moody and bike lover would like to this type of preset. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here is the stock image. I downloaded this one from pixels.com and just making copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and then filter and camera filter. From here I'll go to the load settings options. I'll provide you bike lover this preset, and you'll get instant this type of effects in your photographs. So what I have done the settings over here, let's see. Temperature -1 and the exposure 0.40, contrast +23, highlight -88, that's why you're getting the moody type looks, and the shadow +17 and the blacks -17, texture +5 and clarity +10, and dehaze 20, vibrance 8 and the saturation 8. And from here the tone curve I locked up over here. The input value is 2 and output value is 77. The red portion I didn't touch, green portion and blue portion I didn't work over here. And here the detailing portion, sharpening and noise reduction. Sharpening portion you're getting the amount 25, radius 1, detailing 25. The luminance here is 28 for the noise, and luminance detail 50. After that, here is the HSL panel, lots of work over here. At first the luminance, intensity of the color, orange luminance and red luminance little bit up for the like red color and orange color, and saturation, you know, the percentage of the color, yellow, green and aqua -100 and blue -25, and hue work with the red color, little bit orange type red, and the orange -46, and then greens +33, aqua -36 and blue -11. And then split toning, here is the 167 for the highlight color, hue, the saturation 9, and shadow portion 240 for the hue portion and the saturation 8. No lens correction issues over here. And in the effects options, here is no changes like 0 and 0, and the calibration you're getting the calibration rate primary 14, hue and the saturation 38, and the rest of the thing is nothing changed, and hit OK. I'll provide the preset download link in my video description, please check it out. And after that I'll go to the filter, Nik Collection and Color Effects Pro. From here I'll add another filter. If you need, you can use that filter in your editing purpose. If you want to get the download link of the plugins, please check out my video description. From here the cross processing, I'm using this preset, and lots of method over here. Which one is perfect for your photographs, I don't know which one is perfect for you, but in these terms I will use the L02 and hit the OK button. After adding the lights or that Nik Collection or Color Effects Pro filter, you'll get the result a little bit upper, so it's taking time to load it up. If you need, you can change the fill color and the opacity as well, and then you are getting this type of effects. So let's see the next image, this type of photo, same type photo, and press Ctrl or Command J, filter, camera filter, and then load settings options, bike lover preset, and hit OK. You're getting instant the preset in your applied in your photographs. So hope that you will like this video and share with your friend. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of the preset and resource file, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.